Welcome to this Gloria installation tutorial. My name is Jesse and I am the CEO and founder of Gloria AI, a tool that is revolutionizing the way our businesses do customer service and sales. So today we are going to install Gloria in this demo website. And what's going to happen under the hood is that Gloria will learn your whole website's content, and in minutes she will use that information and she will talk back to everyone that contacts your business through your numerous socials, like for example WhatsApp, SMS, Instagram, etc. So in this case we are dealing here with a WordPress website, but we do support all of the website platforms and systems and even custom HTML. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing you have to do is you have to go to the website and then do wp-admin, and it will take you to this screen. In this case, on this screen, you have to put your username and password to enter to the WordPress administration panel. So here, you're going to see that we have on this side plugins. We want to add Gloria's plugin. So here we add a new plugin and we go here and search for Gloria. We click on install now. Perfect. And now you'll see that there is an activate button. We click it. Now Gloria should be activated on the website. Notice that you need to register through the Gloria platform, iamgloria.com. And you go to sign up or register here, okay? So now, all we have to do is refresh the website. And there you are. Gloria is here to help you. Hi, Gloria. I would like you to tell me which products do you sell in this e-commerce website? Let's see. Excellent. We have new arrivals, the Cairo X26 MBT bike, other cycling products. Feel free to let her know if you need more details or I have any specific questions. So this is how easy the Gloria installation is.